Today we will learn how an air conditioner works, step by step. An air conditioner does not create cold air. It removes heat from inside your room and releases it outside. The system works using a special fluid called refrigerant. This refrigerant changes between liquid and gas. Now let us understand the process step by step. Step 1. The thermostat detects heat. When the room temperature rises above the set temperature, the thermostat sends a signal. The air conditioner turns on. Step 2. The compressor starts working. The compressor is located in the outdoor unit. It is the heart of the air conditioning system. The compressor compresses the refrigerant gas. When the gas is compressed, its pressure increases. When pressure increases, temperature also increases. Now the refrigerant becomes a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. Step 3. The condenser releases heat. The hot gas moves to the condenser coil. The condenser is also located in the outdoor unit. A fan blows outside air over the condenser coil. The heat from the refrigerant transfers to the outside air. As heat is removed, the refrigerant changes from gas to liquid. Now it becomes a high-pressure liquid. Step 4. The expansion valve reduces pressure. The high-pressure liquid refrigerant moves to the expansion valve. The expansion valve controls the flow of refrigerant. When the refrigerant passes through this valve, its pressure suddenly drops. When pressure drops, temperature also drops. Now the refrigerant becomes a cold, low-pressure liquid. Step 5. The evaporator absorbs heat. The cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil. The evaporator is located inside the indoor unit. A fan blows warm room air over the evaporator coil. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the indoor air. As it absorbs heat, the refrigerant changes from liquid to gas. At the same time, the air becomes cool. The cool air is blown back into the room. Step 6. The cycle repeats. The refrigerant, now in gas form, returns to the compressor. The entire process starts again. This cycle continues until the room reaches the desired temperature. Now let us understand one more important point. During the cooling process, moisture in the air condenses on the evaporator coil. This water drains out through a drain pipe. That is why you sometimes see water dripping from an air conditioner. This is normal. An air conditioner works continuously in this closed-loop cycle. Compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. These four main components make cooling possible. In simple words, an air conditioner works by moving heat from inside your room to the outside environment. It does not produce cold air. It removes heat. Now you understand how an air conditioner works step by step. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel.